Yo smagate kuningi. Where do I start? Should I start with the fact that uDinhle is not prepared ukuyeka indoda yomuntu? Actually, she even said ukuthi, Lalela, I'm not the one that is married, so the one that is married needs to take good responsibility for their own marriage. Nakhona, if you've got someone to talk to, hambo khuluma noNhloso. Why are you attacking me? Are you the kind of women that instead of going to the real source of problem, they will come hunting for us women? Mina, I don't have a problem. Futhi nakhona andizumiyeka. Yahlala apha ketana la ley yazini sanibonani abusheni molweni minjani impukile hingongwina so namuhla ka nongona kwa hina wa scandal hikoma ku ri swilo swi tshamisekangi kahle because uNhloso decided that he was going to allow his child to go ulihle ahambe ayoxolisa kuDinhle, and then from there must also obtain a job there. But the mother was the one that actually initiated that she must go and obtain a job there so that she can pay back, because the mother is saying that she wants to teach the child whatever that you do in life has masiandaitwa ngamrao if ever you do things that are bad to other people. So the father said yes, and then went to speak to Dinhle. How, speaking of Dinhle, uNhloso ulelele khabo Dinhle, and he heard it all this morning. Foot now Dinhle is boasting ukuthi uNhloso ulambe for the past 6 years wamnikeza morning glory nje. Yo yazi, on the other hand ke nangu ubaba semidi ukhohlwa yonke into. But then I'm glad that he spoke to the brother, and I'm just thinking ukuthi Tate More, can you just stand up? Now enye into nayo ezoba danger, something ezoba danger is when uMavutela decided to go to Eastern Cape athi ke uyofuna ukwazi kabanzi ngomthunzi Mayeza. I call him Mayeza because wow. Then he decided that he was going to pay someone that was going to give false information transmitted to her, and then she does not really believe it, but because it does not seem like I know this person, I'm finding this person or any clue or anything. Let me let go. When she was about to let go, then she realized Mayeza nangu imnyango yabuza bose Eastern Cape, deny, operation deny. Amawele afuna ineni, and then ugogo lo ngathi she has it in her to do it, but ungathi nje umama Mawele, she's not about that life. Actually, she's more onto the technology type of a life, and I wonder if ugogo is gonna manage, because it looks like ugogo is struggling because utendinendlebe namahlo nomlomo. So I can hear and see. That's what I need for children, because I've raised almost a community, so you can trust me. Yo, aslaleni guys, yo.